Welcome back, RV enthusiasts and adventure seekers, to another exciting update from the world of luxury travel trailers. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at a massive new arrival that is completely redefining what a rolling garage can be. If you have been searching for the perfect blend of rugged capability, affordability, and high-end residential luxury, Forest River might just have the ultimate solution. Meet the 2027 XLR Nitro 41G14, the biggest and most breathtaking fifth-wheel toy hauler in the entire Nitro lineup. Designed to be the definitive do-it-all recreational vehicle for full-time travelers and weekend warriors alike. Spanning an impressive 45 feet 1 inch in total length and sitting on a massive widebody 102-inch chassis, this triple-axle giant is an absolute showstopper. It features 3 large slide-outs that dramatically expand your interior living space, transforming the cabin into a sprawling residential oasis. But the true magic of the 41G14 lies in its sheer versatility. At the rear, you'll find a dedicated 14-foot garage designed to haul all your favorite outdoor gear, from ATVs to dirt bikes. This space features a heavy-duty ramp door that cleverly drops down to double as an elevated rear patio, perfect for entertaining under the stars. The garage even boasts its own separate entrance, extra sleeping quarters, and a private bathroom, making it a fully self-contained suite. Speaking of accommodations, this fifth wheel can comfortably sleep up to 10 people at once, making it the ultimate mobile base camp for large families and groups. The 2027 model year brings a host of significant upgrades that make this RV feel completely fresh. On the outside, it sports a newly redesigned front cap with a sleek, automotive-inspired look, complemented by several stunning new paint job options. Setting up camp is completely effortless thanks to the ground-control automatic electric leveling system, while the upgraded suspension and 16-inch Goodyear tires ensure a remarkably smooth ride on the highway. To maximize your outdoor living experience, Forest River has equipped this model with 3 standard power awnings on the campside, with an option to add a 4th over the rear patio. Inside, the redesigned cabin is packed with fully upgraded technology and premium residential appliances that will make you forget you're anywhere but home. While this massive toy hauler is certainly heavier and demands a capable tow vehicle, it delivers an uncompromising lifestyle experience that is remarkably affordable for its class. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or a family looking to conquer the outdoors in ultimate comfort, the 2027 XLR Nitro 41G14 is ready for the journey.